Hello and welcome to a new episode how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today I would like to learn you about how to use JavaScript for show locations on Google Maps with one click. In front of you you have this my HTML with one div, and inside one div with class gallery container, and inside each div I have an image, another div for display the caption, the title, a label, British short hair. For example, here I have three cats. Let's see. Okay, 2 seconds. I have here, I open, and this is the gallery. I would like to put here under each picture one button, and when user click on this button will be redirected to the country from where this cat is original. For example, if click on British Shorthair, will be redirected to the Great Britain because this cat is from Great Britain. This mouse Egyptian cat from Egypt. Now when I click I open Google Maps to Egypt, and Bengal is from United States. Now when I click the button I open the link in Google Maps to United States. Okay, let's start to work. I will put the button in each div now here under label. Okay, 2 seconds. Under each label I will put a button. First button, second and third button. See on the map. Now I am this HTML because here I put an CSS, but this don't interest us. For today I would like to learn you how to redirect to the Google Maps. Now when I click you see nothing happens. Okay, because in the script I don't have code. Okay, let introduce between these tags some code, some JavaScript code. But firstly let's think this function. We should to create a function now that will open a link in Google Maps. Okay, function openMap. Good. And for this openMap I will give a parameter country, because this parameter I will put to each button when I call the function to on click. Now because when I create the function I will put here on click equal name of function now and parameter name function. My name function is openMap. No, okay, openMap, and I put parameter is British Shorthair. I would like to open Great Britain. No, Great Britain. Okay, but now should to create this openMap country. Firstly, we should to build the URL, to the Google Maps, and I will create a constant, a variable, const URL equal I have a string, okay, google.maps.com. Okay, let's see what happens. Nothing. Google.com, but now do you see I have google.com? Okay, but I put here maps. Let's see the google.com maps is this URL. Do you see? Send to the last. But if you follow this link, for example, do you see after maps you have a search, after an API, and the query where the query for the country, for example. Okay, let's see what represent this link, because should to understand the parts of this link from Google Maps. Do you see here google.com maps send you to the API of Google Maps, but not for your country. But if you put all the parts of these links, okay, and we have search, API equal Italy, but something is not okay. Okay, let's put this because should to put here an ID. I have google.com maps search API equal 1 and query equal Italy. Now do you see I will be redirected to the Italy, and when I build this link should to put these parts, no? Maps. After maps, search, because I tell to Google I would like to go to the search, the subdomain. After API equal one query equal, I don't know, I put here Italy for example. Let's see what happened. This is no. Doesn't work because should open this URL with open the URL, no? Open URL in a new window, and I put window, the function window, dot open. Let's see what I have here. Open have a URL, parameter and target. Okay, I have URL here, URL point blank. And now I open this Google Maps, but unfortunately not to the Italy. I have here in query Italy, but probably something is wrong because he open in other country. Let's see what missing in this. I have equal one query equal, and I put this variable with encode embedded. I change here in backticks because I use a variable with interpolation here. This function encodeURIComponent wrap your variable, and you can put here in link variable. In this way you put parameter for this function encodeURIComponent. Okay, let's see what happened now. I have Great Britain, doesn't work again. Okay, let's see what is the problem. openMap Great Britain. I have here a parameter, no? This parameter I will put here when I call in button. I have an URL, but I should put here an end, and now probably work. Great Britain, do you see here? United Kingdom. Okay, now I call the function here with Egypt, and here with United States. I put parameter for this function. And now I open here first United Kingdom, second Egypt, and Bengal cat is from United States. Okay, let's resume this. For create an URL, for build an URL to Google Maps, you should to use this epic query and put your variable rapid here with backticks. Now it's a simple way, but you can use this trick for create this URL in Google Maps. Okay, first part of link Google HTTP. Let me to explain you this URL. No, first you have HTTPS. This is a protocol that tell the browser to use HTTPS to connect to the site, no, secure HTTP. After you have this www.google.com is domain name, is Google main website. The browser uses DNS to translate this into an IP address for a Google server. After this you have the path maps. Tell Google server that you want to use Google Maps services. You have a subpath in maps. This search indicate that you're using search functionality inside Google Maps. And here start the trick. You have this API equal 1. It's a query string who start with this sign, and is a query parameter sent to Google server. API equal 1. Here is a parameter. Query is another query parameter which specify what location or place do you want to find. And this encodeURI is a function, that encode the value inside it here, my country parameter. That was all for today. I hope you understand how to build the URL for Google Maps. All the best.